How many times have you opened your notebook to study, and then suddenly you're scrolling TikTok watching a random cat do parkour? Yeah, same. Everyone says, just focus, but no one explains why it's so hard. Hey, welcome to Next Habit, where we upgrade our minds one habit at a time. If you've been struggling to focus, you're not broken. There are actually 3 big reasons your brain is fighting you. Let's fix them. Fast. Problem number 1. Easy dopamine. Your phone gives your brain tiny dopamine rewards. Likes, notifications, videos, quick hits with zero effort. But studying doesn't give that instant reward. So your brain chooses the fun, glowing rectangle. Fast fix. Put your phone in another room. Block distracting apps for 45 minutes. Turn off autoplay. Less noise equals more focus. Problem number 2. Fake work habits. Color-coding notes for 40 minutes isn't learning. Rewriting the title 5 times isn't progress. It feels productive. Fix. The 10-to-2 rule, 10 minutes real work. 2-minute break, repeat. Starting is the hardest part. Momentum does the rest. Problem number 3, your energy tank is empty. You can't focus on 4 hours of sleep, 0 meals, and iced coffee as a personality trait. Your brain is a battery, and yours is drained. Fast fix. Sleep. Water, real food, breaks every 45 to 60 minutes. Not self-care, brain maintenance. Focus isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. And every time you choose to try again, you're training that skill.